Hello, in this video I want to show you how to factory reset EDIMAX router. And to do this we'll need to look on the back. Here you can find WPS/reset button and simply click and hold that button until a LED lamp with power starts blinking. So let's try it out. It takes around 20 seconds, by the way. Now we can let go of the button and factory reset should commence. When it's back to normal, that means we're back to factory settings. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.